The Baby Ruth candy bar, introduced in 1920, quickly gained popularity due to its delightful mix of chewy caramel, crunchy peanuts, and affordability. Today, this classic treat maintains its nostalgic charm. O. Henry, another iconic candy bar from 1920, beautifully combined chocolate, caramel, and peanuts, making it a favorite during the Roaring Twenties. Its journey through various ownership changes reflects the enduring appeal of this delicious confection. Wonder Bread transformed bread consumption by becoming the first pre-sliced bread introduced in 1921. Celebrated for its soft texture and versatility with various toppings, its legacy remains significant in American households. Launched in 1921, Betty Crocker revolutionized home baking with quality mixes and a friendly brand persona. This innovation made baking accessible and enjoyable for everyone, fostering a love for home-cooked treats. Welch's Grape Jelly, introduced in 1923, has delighted taste buds for generations with its rich flavor and smooth texture. It stands as a trusted family-owned brand, emphasizing quality ingredients that families can rely on. The invention of popsicles in 1923 brought a refreshing delight to hot summer days. Their simplicity and variety of flavors have solidified their status as a timeless favorite among people of all ages. The transition from a local favorite to a national sensation demonstrates how innovative snacks resonate across generations and cultures. Reese's exemplifies the essence of this unique appeal, capturing hearts everywhere. The harmonious blend of salty and sweet flavors in Reese's creates an unforgettable taste experience, elevating it beyond just a snack. This balance is crucial to its enduring popularity among consumers. Variations like Reese's Pieces and seasonal shapes showcase the brand's ability to evolve while remaining true to its classic roots. This continuous innovation keeps the Reese's experience fresh and exciting for all. Kool-Aid's widespread popularity is rooted in its diverse range of flavors, including cherry and tropical punch, appealing to both children and adults alike. This variety ensures it remains a fun and enjoyable drink for all ages. Not only did Kool-Aid quench thirsts, but it also inspired culinary creativity, encouraging people to experiment with different flavor combinations. This playful aspect made it more than just a drink, it became a kitchen staple. Over the years, Kool-Aid has evolved by introducing sugar-free options and convenient on-the-go packets. This adaptability has helped the brand maintain its relevance in modern markets, catering to diverse consumer needs. Twizzlers can be savored in numerous ways, whether as a quick snack at the movies or even as a creative straw for drinks. This versatility adds a unique twist to their overall appeal. The accessibility of Twizzlers has significantly contributed to their popularity, as they have been available at affordable prices for many years. This enduring affordability has made them a beloved choice among all age groups. Despite the constantly evolving snack landscape, Twizzlers continue to captivate licorice enthusiasts. Their lasting presence highlights their status as a classic treat that remains beloved. The Heath Bar was invented by Bayard and Everett Heath in their sweet shop, quickly becoming a popular indulgence that brought joy to consumers. Its historical significance adds to its lasting legacy in the world of confections. The affordability of the Heath Bar made it accessible to everyone, providing a small luxury that could brighten anyone's day. This key factor played a crucial role in its widespread popularity. Today, the Hershey Company produces the Heath Bar, ensuring its continued availability for those craving that perfect combination of crunchy toffee and smooth chocolate. Its consistent quality guarantees it remains a popular choice among candy lovers.